In this video, we are going to read exercise 13.1 sixth problem. A medicine capsule is in the form of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each other of its ends. This is see in figure 13.1. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. Now what they are telling us, the diameter of the capsule, that is diameter of the hemisphere. You can take diameter of the hemisphere is diameter of hemisphere or diameter of the cylinder, it may be, right? Diameter of the hemisphere is, here they have given it as 5 uh, 5 millimeter, right? 5 millimeter. So what is the radius? The radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5 millimeter. 2.5 millimeter. Here you see in this picture, this is 2.5 and this is 2.5. This is radius, no? So this is 2.5 and this is radius only. So in total length 14, you have to subtract this 2.5 and this 2.5. So 2 into 2.5 will become 5. So 14 minus 5 equal to 9 is the length of the cylinder. So that is what we are going to write now. See here, height of the cylinder equal to total height. Total height is 14 minus 2 into radius of the hemisphere. Two hemisphere where it comes, one at the left and one at the right. So 2 into radius of the hemisphere. 2 into 2.5, that is 14 minus 2 into 2.5 is 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So now you have got height of the cylinder as 9 millimeter, and here this is millimeter, right? This we have written as centimeter. This is millimeter only, right? Millimeter. Now here this is 9 millimeter, okay, and the radius of the hemisphere is 2.5 millimeter. Now we are going to find out the surface area. Now you see surface area of the capsule. What is the surface area of the capsule? The capsule has a cylinder, that you have to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Then both the ends you have what? Hemisphere. That also you have to find out the curved surface area of the hemisphere. That is 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere, as you have left hand side one hemisphere and right hand side one hemisphere. And you know the cylinder's dimensions, that radius equal to 2.5 millimeter, height equal to 9 millimeter. Hemisphere radius equal to 2.5 millimeter. Now I am going to write the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So we can take 2 pi r out. When you take 2 pi r out, you will get here h plus, we have taken 2 pi r out. What is the remaining? 2r. Here 2 is the remaining, another one r will be there, right? Now apply 2 into 22 by 7 into r is what? 5 by 2 into h is what you will get? 9 plus 2r is 2 into 2.5, right? So I have taken here r as 2.5, right? R is 2.5, that I have taken as 5 by 2 for my convenience, right? So that I can cancel 2 cancel, right? Now what is that remaining? 22 into 5 by 7 into 9 plus 2 into 2.5 is 5, right? So 22 into 5 by 7 into what will get? 9 plus 5, 14. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So 22 into 5 twos are, what will get? 10. 22 into 10, 220 millimeter square, because it is in millimeter, no? So it is millimeter square. I think you have understood the problem. So just see this again and again to thorough this problem. Okay, the concept should be thorough for CBSE. Okay, thank you all.